The CastleGate exterior door system by Masonite is the highest performing system on the market. In a certified third-party test, CastleGate lasted significantly longer in more extreme conditions, withstanding 51.3 mile-per-hour winds and 8 inches of rainfall per hour. The closest competitor failed to perform in even moderate conditions. The CastleGate exterior door system is built with the best components from the industry's leading brands: Masonite doors and glass, Endura frame components, and quality assembly by experts at BWI.
We design all of our fiberglass doors with a true square edge, so they look like a wood door and seal better. For insulated glass, we use warm edge spacers to reduce sail failures, energy costs, and prevent condensation. From the ground up, our fiberglass doors are engineered to resist warping, rotting, rusting, and denting.
Endura delivers the components that power the performance of the CastleGate system and protect against air and water leaks, like the Z-articulating cap sill, which automatically adjusts to form a tight seal against the door bottom.
And our new replaceable deck sill. RDS is the sill of the future, enabling replacement of a discolored or damaged sill deck without removing the sill or the entire door unit.
The weather strip and corner pads surround the system in leak-fighting protection. Our frame-saver door frame never warps, wicks, or rots while delivering the rigidity of wood.
Upgrade to Fusion Frame Door Frame for the best of composite and wood frames with unmatched performance and installation benefits such as rippable jambs to support varied and uncommon wall depths, removable jam stop and brick mold covers for concealed fasteners in a mar-free installation, and floating brick mold that adjusts to fit an uneven rough opening.
For French door applications, our multi-point astragal delivers the performance of 3 deflection-fighting sealing points for superior protection.
Here at BWI, we bring together all the CastleGate elements with quality assembly and quick lead times. CastleGate systems are hand-built by trained craftsmen at each of our facilities. We can also pre-finish each unit, eliminating the need to finish the product in the field. When assembling these systems, we never use staples. Every CastleGate unit is screwed and caulked together.
There is a CastleGate system for every homeowner. Masonite offers fiberglass doors and glass designs to suit any home style and preference. And the system is built to last. Because CastleGate is built and backed by the most trusted brands with the industry's strongest warranties. Visit our website to order your CastleGate exterior door system today.